I do with this? Put it in my nose?
You have lighter? No.
Huh?
Lighter?
Lighter? No.
No.
No lighter.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You can okay. You say
Yeah.
Good morning. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come out?
ค่ะ
All right.
1 2 3 yes Are you okay
Yeah.
so hot ใช่ไหมโอ้ยไม่ถ่ายรูปไม่ได้ no ค่ะ
So we use abbreviation name for you, and this one is the UHN. This delivery today.
Okay.
So we just get this afternoon. The lot number. So this one is the umbilical cord. Lot number. The order is 10 million cell intravenous, but because we never get 100% after unfroze the cell, they confirm live cell percentage 99%. So we
Okay.
get 20% bonus cell. Total
Okay.
will be 12.
Okay.
And this one will be the spindle shape. So when it infused, it get back to the heart, go to the lung, back to the heart, and go whole body. So the spindle shape make sure that it will not obstructed in the small capillary like the lung or kidney.
Okay.
And the adherent cell, this one will be confirmed to when they culture the cell before they freeze. They will rinse to take out the blood stem cell. So the MSC is supposed to adherent or attach to the plate that culture. So this one make sure it's stem cell. And this is the marker of the blood stem cell that we don't want, so it's ruled out. HLA-DR is the antigen on cell surface. Make sure no rejection effect. And before the infusion, so I will do the skin test. And this one marker of stem cell. And lastly, this triple check confirm the matter before they collect the umbilical cord. So they make sure non-vaccinated donor and the triple check for the infectious disease.
And no vaccinated donor.
So this
Okay.
one for you, take home.
Thanks.
So this one will be 10 million cell in 4 ml. This one is the cell. And this one is the skin test. It's anti-inflammatory saline bottle.
This is to test if I'm allergic to the.
Media that culture the cell.
And if I am allergic, then you do what?
Then we gonna need the anti-inflammatory CTM.
Anti-inflammatory?
Yeah, the
Okay.
anti-allergy reaction. Yeah. And this one, the stem cell. So depend on how we order. So 10 million, normally I order in 4 cc.
Okay.
Next week we do the NAD to follow.
Oh, so there's a follow up with the after this next week. I do another NAD.
Yes.
Okay, and what does the NAD do?
The NAD is the nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, so it's protein in our cell. You use the NAD to catalyst, make the cell end product faster. So when you have the stem cell or when you have injury or when you eat nutrient, the protein turn to amino acid. And your cell will use this to produce the healing, the protein synthesis or those. So this will use NAD. When you were younger, you have more NAD in the cell. So that's why you heal faster, body grow faster.
Okay.
But now when we get older, NAD is less than half at your age. So this one, when we add NAD in, it made the body and the cell operate and function faster.
Okay.
So this will also enhance the stem cell healing.
Oh, okay, great, great. No allergic reaction. Last little bit.